This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which village is active and how it's linked. This prevents accidental loss. Once you know the linked Supercell ID or platform account, back up progress by confirming the linked email and any device services. Next, go to Settings in-game, open Supercell ID area, and sign out of the account you want to change. Make sure to note the login email and verification method. This saves time when swapping accounts and avoids verification delays later. Now you sign into the account you want to use going forward. Once done, select Log in or Register in the Supercell ID panel and enter the new email or platform credentials. When a verification code is sent, type it exactly. Delays mean re-requesting codes. If you're moving a village between devices, choose Link a Device and follow the short on-screen code exchange method. Make sure to complete any confirmation prompts so the game fully associates the new account with your village. Finish by verifying the village that loads matches the account you intended. Check Town Hall level, builders, and troops. If something's wrong, sign out and sign back in. Try the original Supercell ID credentials to confirm which account holds your progress. If you still see the wrong village or can't access an account, gather proof. Player tag, purchase receipts, and linked email, then contact Supercell support through settings right arrow help and support. One key tip, keep verification emails. They speed recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.